Go get your gun. Go get him.
Why'd you snitch?
Hey, call your security, man. Get this guy in here. It's not the first time you've done this.
What?
See where you're standing, man? He said he's gonna pull the fire line.
Are you here with someone, or are you just here by yourself today?
I'm here with my chaperone.
Okay, where's your chaperone?
On the way.
Okay, why don't...
Look, I can't control myself.